Hello, my name is Danielle Fleming. I'm the art teacher at the New Brunswick Middle School. Today's art challenge is going to draw a dog. Okay, so let's start with our dog. I'm going to first draw his head. Be a circle or oval. And then I'm going to do the eyes. I'm just going to make circles for his eyes and then color in a little part of it. Then we're going to make his snout. So we're going to make a big circle underneath, like that. And then we're going to put an upside down triangle. And then make a W. I'm going to make his mouth open. So I'm just going to put a little happy face underneath. Then I'm going to put his ears. I'm going to make his ears go up a little bit and then flop over. So I'm going to make a line here and a line. I want to stop before I get to here. Make another line. And then curve out into an oval. See, he's coming along. I'm gonna put his other leg over here so it looks like he has the other leg coming out. So I'm gonna make a line there and then bump it out like that. Now let's give this dog a tail. Make a tail like that. Now there's different ways you could do these. You can make his ears differently. If you want to make his ears just floppy, like coming down, you can. If you want to make the tail a little bushy, you could do that too, or shorter, whatever way you want to do it. I'm going to put a collar on my dog. So from here, I'm just going to make a line going over there and make it come out a little bit. And then here it'll be like his name tag. And then let's make him have like a pattern of some sort. Here, I'm going to go like that so it looks like his fur in the front. And then maybe put some spots on him. And put one around his eye. So I'll color those in. If you have markers or colored pencils, you can make your dog any color you want. It doesn't have to be black and white. It could be brown and black, brown and white. Hey, if you want to make your dog blue, you can make your dog blue. And if you want to make his ears black, but you still want to see the shape of the ears, you're going to make a little line here and then color in around it so it looks like it's going in a little still. Okay, maybe I want to just have a black and white ear, or you could do both. And that's how you could do your dog.